Looking to add some greenery to your space? Without the hassle, here are my top 5 zero-care houseplants that thrive on neglect. First up, the snake plant. This beauty can survive in low light and only needs watering every few weeks. Perfect for those who forget to water. Next, we have this easy plant. With its glossy leaves, it's not just a pretty face. It can handle low light and drought like a champ. Third is the pothos. This vine is a superstar at purify the air and can grow in almost any lighting. Just give it a drink when the soul is dry. Fourth, meet the spider plant. It's super resilient and produces adorable baby plants. Just let it dry out between waterings. Finally, the peace lily. It's stunning and can thrive in low light. Plus, it'll let you know when it needs water by drooping its leaves. These plants are perfect for anyone wanting a touch of nature without the commitment.